Losing your job, especially as part of a workforce reduction, can feel like the rug's been pulled from under you. You wake up the next day and wonder, what now? If that's you right now, take a breath. You're not alone. And this moment doesn't define your worth. The first thing to do is acknowledge the emotions. It's okay to feel angry, anxious, or even embarrassed. Those feelings are real. But don't bottle them up. Talk to someone you trust, go for a walk, or just take time to breathe. When we give ourselves space to feel, we create space to heal. Next, remember, this isn't personal. Layoffs and surplus decisions are about budgets, not about your value. Your skills, your knowledge, your experience, they still matter. You're not broken, you're in transition. One of the hardest parts of job loss is losing structure. So, build a new routine. Wake up at the same time, get dressed, plan your day. Include time for exercise, learning something new, and job searching. But don't fill every minute. Give yourself permission to rest. After the stress starts to fade, start looking forward. Ask yourself, what do I want next? Maybe this is the time to explore remote work, a new field, or even start something of your own. The skills that got you here can take you anywhere, if you stay open. If you're feeling the weight of uncertainty right now, know this. You've handled challenges before, and you'll handle this one too. You're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. Take one step at a time, care for your mind, and trust that something better is already forming on the horizon. Thanks for watching. If this message helped you, share it with someone who might need it today. And remember, you're stronger than this moment.